Hey, beautiful soul. If you look at the reality from a higher perspective, all your doubts, guilt, or shame will fade away because every path leads to your evolution. What you long for creates a strong desire within you that wants to be delivered to you by the higher universe, and the more you trust the process, the closer it will get to becoming your physical reality. Accept and own how you feel and what you truly want. Drop judgment around how you feel, embrace it. Type I am, accept, and grow to affirm. The universe is responding to your vibration and aligning you with people, places, and things for your highest evolution. Keep moving forward as the best is yet to come. Intentionally release all that is not a match to who you are becoming. The more you let go old energy, the more you allow what you deserve. If you feel stagnant in any way, try new things and change the energy by moving. You are supported. Type I am open to joy to affirm.